cat at home, and my son had a cat. Our cat name is Miss Whiskers. So I'm going to talk today about, turn around. We're going to learn today about where are you going? Where are we going to? So look at this. This cat, say this is a picture of a what? Say cat. What sound does a cat make? What sound does a cat make? Meow, 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 meow. The cats go meow. So okay, then we're gonna find out about the cat and we're gonna find out. Say the title. Say title. Say title. The title of the book. Say the title of the book. Where? Say where are you going? So that's the title of the book, and it's about this cat. Can anybody tell me what picture? This is a picture of a what? Say stroller. Stroller. Okay then, so listen to this. It says, where are you going, Tommy? So the name of the cat is next. Say Tommy. Tommy. Say Tommy is the name of the cat. What sound does a cat make? Meow, meow, meow. So say umbrella. What color is this umbrella? Say pink. Say pink. Pink. Okay, so where are you hiding, Tommy? So Tommy's doing what? He's doing what? Say hiding. So Tommy the cat is hiding. He's hiding under a what? Say umbrella. Say umbrella. Okay, so he's hiding under an umbrella. I'm telling you about my friend Tommy the cat. So this is a picture of a what? Say it. Frog. Say frog. And the sound of a frog may say ribbit. Ribbit. So does a frog hop or does he walk? Say a frog hops. He hops. Okay, he hops. So look, where are you looking, Tommy? Say lily pad. Say lily pad. Say water. So he's looking under the lily pad and underneath the water. What is that a picture? What's your name? I bet you know. Emil, what is that a picture of? Of a what? A truck or a what? What is this a picture of? Okay, say car. Say car. Say car. Say car. Say car. Okay, then say we are driving. I'm sorry. Where are you driving? Say where are you driving, Tommy? Where are you driving? So he's driving a car. So what's the name of the cat? Say Tommy. So and he's driving a what? He's driving a what? Say a car. Say Tommy's driving a what? Tommy's driving a what? Say car. Okay, this is the last page. Say playhouse. Playhouse. So he says, where are you playing, Tommy? Tommy's playing inside of a what? Say house. Say house. The end. Say the end. Now, I'm going to give you this. You're going to have to study it. Don't talk. Just look at the pictures. Study it. You're going to do this work with your teacher when your teacher takes you back to the room. See, she's going to work with you on this. Look at the pictures. Don't say anything. Look at the pictures and look at the shh. Don't talk to your friends. Don't talk to your mother. Don't talk to your father. Don't talk to. Look at the pictures. You have to study the pictures. You have to study the pictures. One more. Study the pictures. Study the pictures. Study the pictures. I'm gonna give you this. Study the pictures. Now look. Now okay. This is a picture of. This is a picture. What is that a picture of? Say goose. Say goose. Say goose. This is the picture. Say elephant. Say elephant. This is the picture. Say house. House. We live in a what? You live in a what? Say house. Okay, then the last picture. Say fly. Fly. I'm going to do your hands like this. I'm gonna do. Look at this. You gotta look at my hand. Put your hand up in there. Put your hand. We gotta catch a fly. Do that. Say catch a fly. Catch a fly. So, okay then, so I'm going to collect these, I'm going to give them to the teacher. And hold on, before we do that, let's go over the letters. Say E. Say E. Say E. Say F. Say G. Say H. Say H. H is say house. H is for house. Say H is for house. Say F is for flock. Say F is for flock. Great job. Say G is for goose. Say goose. Say goose. Goose. And the goose say whack, whack. Great job. All right, then. Now look at this. We have something sitting in front of us. I'm going to need your participation on this. Okay. I'll tell you that now. Say board. Say boards. So everybody has to have a board in front of them. Look, I'm going to put a board in front of you. This is your board right here. This is your board. Everybody should have a board. Here's your board. Take that board. Okay, here's your board. Everybody has a board in front of them. Don't put anything on there yet. Don't put it. Look at this. These are lines. I'm going to point to the lines. Look at this. Just pay attention. When you're doing something, when I tell you to put a letter, say lowercase. This is a lowercase letter. Say lowercase letter. These are lines. 1, 2, count with me. Say 1. Point on your board to the left. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have, say, 4 lines. So we have 4 lines, right? And on the 4 lines, on the very first line, say first line. First line. So on the very first line, say letter A. Say letter A. Say A. Look at me. Look at A. Look at the letter A. I need you to go on your tray and find the letter A. What's your name? I'm sorry. Miss Walker? Miss Walker's going to help us. So look at this. Find the letter. Wait for your teacher. If you can, look at this. This is the lowercase A. Say lowercase A. It's lowercase A. Lowercase A. Find the A and then put it on our very first line. So we're looking for the lowercase A. Look at me. Don't look back there. Look at me. Here's your here's your lowercase A. Hold your lowercase A up. That's the E. Here's your lowercase A. We're going through the board. Hold your lowercase A up. I want you to hold your A up in the air. Hold your A up in the air. Hold your A up in the air. Let's find the A. Let's find the A. Here's your lowercase A. Here's your hold your lowercase A up in the air. You can put it on the table. Put it on the table and look at it. Put it on the table and look at it. Put your lowercase A. Lowercase A. Here's your lowercase A. Your lowercase A. Don't do that. Those are your 2 letters. Don't do it. Okay, let's find your lowercase A. Here's your lowercase A. So put your lowercase A. Take your lowercase A. Put it on the first line, the very first line. Put your lowercase A. Put your lowercase A right here. Put your lowercase A right. No, put it on the first line. Put it on the first line. On the very first line. Right there. Put it on the line. Great job. Make sure it's on the line. So, okay. No. You're not. That's the lowercase A.
That's the A.
Now, we're going to do your lowercase. Somebody move. Good job. Find your lowercase B. Your lowercase B. Put your lowercase B on the line. So A, B. Find your B. No, lowercase. The small one. Find your B. Find your B.
I found it.
Here's your A.
I found it.
Put it on your board.
I found the B.
Here's your B right here.
I found the B.
Put it next to the A.
I found the B.
Where? Let me see. That's the uppercase B. We're
Here's your
looking
B.
for the lowercase B.
Here's your B. So far, hold your
That's
B.
your lowercase B.
Hold on. So far we're dealing with A and B. Find your B. Look at your board. Here's your B. Put your B on the board. So put your B on the board. Put your B, but that's the uppercase B. We need the small B. The small. We need the small B. Hold on. Here you go. A, B. Hold on. We're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. Find it. Give me time. Let me help you. Looking for. Oh, we found it. The lowercase b. Say B is for ball. Everybody say B is for ball. Say B is for ball. Say ball. Say ball. Say bike. Say bike. B is for ball. B is for bike. Okay, we're gonna find one more letter. One more letter. We're gonna locate the letter C. Look at the letter C. Say cat. Say cat. Cat. Say meow. Meow. Say the cat says meow. The cat says meow. So we gotta say A, B, C. A, B, C. Say A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. Okay. Ms. Wilkins? It's okay. You just slide it. Okay. Now what I need you all to do is pay attention. Look at your teacher, Miss Wilkins. Look at Miss Wilkins for a second. As you know, we're just trying to teach you. Hello? I want you all to do your hands like this. Simon says put your hands on your head. Simon says touch your nose. Simon says touch your eyes. Simon says touch your nose. Simon says touch your ears. Simon says touch your head. Simon says touch your stomach. Simon says touch your knees. Simon says touch your ears. Simon says touch your head. Simon says touch your knees. Simon says touch your stomach. Touch your head. All out. I want you all to stand up, push your chairs in, and you all will follow your teachers after your teacher. Thank you so much.